The Guru Granth Sahib has a unity of language and thought. The script used in the Granth is called Gurmukhi, meaning from the mouth of the Guru. The language used is a mixture of Punjabi, the spoken language of the people of the Punjab, and Old Hindi, commonly used in Indian medieval and romantic poetry called Sant Bhasha. Some of the other dialects of northern India were also used. The Gurus believed that divine worship through music was the best way of achieving communion with God, and they knew that music and rhythm deeply affect the human soul. In the Granth, the major portion of poetry is arranged in different ragas and is meant to be sung. Ragas are usually sung according to the season or the time of day or night. Guru Granth Sahib is arranged in 31 major ragas. There are 29 mixed varieties of ragas also to be found in Guru Granth Sahib. Professional musicians called ragis sing the hymns during services. Singing of hymns is called kirtan. Kirtan is performed accompanied by drums or tabla, harmonium, and other musical instruments. There is no restriction to perform kirtan. Any male or female from the congregation can also participate. The teachings of the Guru Granth guide Sikhs both in ceremony and in their daily lives. The creed of the Guru Granth, uncompromising monotheism, comes in a prelude to the work called the Japji Sahib, written by Guru Nanak. Japji is the most important of the 5 banis or daily prayers that devout Sikhs recite each day. Guru Nanak encouraged Sikhs to meditate and glorify God's name and greatness in what he called the ambrosial hours of fragrant dawn.
Ek Onkar,
there is one Supreme Being,
Satnam,
the eternal reality.
Karta Purakh,
he is the Creator,
Nirpar,
without fear,
Nirvair,
devoid of enmity.
Akal Murad,
he is immortal,
Ajuni Sabhang,
never incarnated, self-existent,
Gur Prasad,
known by grace through the Guru.
Jap,
Worship him.